Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Darragh Martin and I'm a 24-year-old off-plan investment consultant. So today we are actually in beautiful Rashid Yachts and Marina, one of the prime developmental areas where you can invest today. So it's up and coming, it's a lot of construction. Today's not about this video, but if we'll just do a quick go around, I mean, it's beautiful. It's meant to be the next Monaco, is how they're describing it. Monaco of Dubai. Whether or not you believe that is another story, but it looks beautiful. So we've got all the yachts in the background, and these are the first three buildings, which are actually starting over here. If my camera woman can pan quickly. These are the first three buildings. So, you know, they've been sold out. New opportunities are coming, but they sell out very quickly here. As you can see, it's a beautiful area. In the background, we do have the Burj Khalifa. Can you see it? And yeah, if you just swivel around, you can see it all. You can see we got the Emaar Sales Pavilion and yeah, some of the stuff which is built in. But today's video is actually not about this area. I'm just chilling here, doing a bit of research, scouting out Dubai. But today's video is about the Bitcoin halving. And now the Bitcoin halving is actually happening next week. So I thought I'd do a PSA, public service announcement, for all my investor clients. So if anyone's not familiar with what the Bitcoin halving is, I'll do my best to explain it kind of briefly here. So Bitcoin halving historically has had a really good impact on the Bitcoin price. So what happens is every day, every week, every month, Bitcoins are mined using computer miners. They solve mathematical problems and new Bitcoins are issued every single day. What happens with the Bitcoin halving is the reward that's given out, say, in a particular week is cut in half. So the new supply to the market is cut in half, which drastically, reduces supply, and historically that means price goes up. So, there's a really interesting article and piece that's been put out by this guy called Plan B on Twitter. He published, I believe the first article he published was in 2019, which was the stock to flow model, which kind of tracked Bitcoin's price and how it relates to its scarcity. So yeah, I highly recommend you check out that. I'll have those linked in the description below, the links to those articles, and also his Twitter page, which is really great just for kind of following along what's happening in this cycle. Because, up until now, we've seen over the past few weeks and months, Bitcoin's price has really gone up. And a lot of people are thinking this might be the top. But if you look at these models and where they predict the Bitcoin price to go, they're saying it can go a lot higher. So my personal opinion actually is that Bitcoin is probably the greatest technology we've ever used as a civilization, as money. So it is absolutely the most beautiful creation ever. It kind of circumnavigates the traditional finance system. We don't have to rely on central banks who have been creating a lot of inflation and kind of just stealing the wealth of the entire world's population and creating these social issues. But, diving deeper into that would take an hour, 2-hour video in and of itself. But that's just my personal opinion, that Bitcoin is going to skyrocket. I think it will be the global world reserve currency. And, then we get to today's video. Why am I telling this? Well, Dubai is actually a very crypto-friendly place. If we actually look, the Dubai government is the first government in the world to use blockchain technology in one of their departments. So I've actually found this really interesting. When I was doing leasing, I would come across title deeds for apartments, and it says on the bottom of every title deed that the information is stored actually on the blockchain. So the DLD has actually partnered with a private company to store all the data for title deeds on the blockchain, which just shows how forward thinking they are and open to this kind of innovation. The second thing is that purchases with cryptocurrency are very, very common in Dubai, and that's the main kind of point of this video. I think over the next 2 years, we're going to see a huge appreciation in the Bitcoin price and the general cryptocurrency market. And I think this is going to be the perfect opportunity for certain investors to cash out part of their crypto portfolio and purchase real estate. And where better to purchase real estate in the world than doing it in a crypto-friendly environment where the transactions are seamless. In off-plan, some developers actually accept direct wallet-to-wallet transfers to book units. And if a certain developer doesn't do it, there's plenty of third-party companies where you will send a direct wallet-to-wallet transfer to them, and they'll issue either cash or a manager's check for you. So the process is super simple here in Dubai. And then of course, there's no tax. You're buying into a market which is hugely undervalued compared to the rest of the world. Looking at price per square foot basis, we're at about 90th right now, just checked it yesterday. So yeah, I do think Bitcoin is going to 1 million per coin. I think it's going to 5 million per coin. I think if you're still thinking in fiat currencies, you don't really understand Bitcoin. 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin. That's how bullish I am on the Bitcoin space in particular. But I think it would be wise in this next bull run, as prices do go up, to maybe sell a portion and put it into, you know, real estate, which is a more stable asset class and which can generate you rental income. Because even though I am a Bitcoin bull and I think it's going to the moon, it doesn't generate rental income, which then you can go use for other things. So yeah, in this bull run, let's see where it goes to. Let's see if it gets up to 1 million per coin. But I would strongly recommend to all my international clients as well, but consider putting maybe 20% of your cryptocurrency portfolio and putting that towards real estate in the Dubai market. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you found this video informative, please let me know. And yes, if there are any clients out there and you do have cryptocurrency and you're looking to invest in the Dubai real estate market, or maybe you're just interested to find out more, please book a call with me using the Calendly link below, and we can just go through what we think are the best opportunities for you. So if you like this video, please give it a like, comment what you want to see next time, watch any of my other videos if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.